Hey, I'm Christian, and welcome back to the Spot on Insurance Weekly Preview. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe! Last week, we had Sabrina Slater from Insurance Licensing Services of America, ILSA.
Hey, Christian.
Talking about budgeting for licensing and compliance. Very interesting, right? But this week, we talk about drones. Well, drone technology in the insurance industry with Matt Daniels. On this episode, Matt shares the inspiring journey of his transition from military aerial reconnaissance specialist and intelligence analyst to claims adjuster to CEO of his own innovative drone-based inspection and data collection company. He also shares his insights into overcoming adversity and the importance of servant leadership in his career. And here's the preview.
Drones. This sounds like fun to me. Okay, Matt, put the drone down and welcome to Spot on Insurance.
Thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
At what point did you say, hey, all of this training that I've received, I know that I can do something on my own with that training? At what point did that come to you?
And looking at the thermometer in the car and it being 7 degrees outside, you really start to kind of question your life path at that moment, being a warm-blooded Southerner and find myself up in that frigid Midwest weather. But really what it was is I was climbing those roofs and I was okay. Like, it wasn't my favorite thing, but I was okay up there. But I was like, there has to be a better way. Like, there just has to be a better way than this. Like, in today's world, and because I'm holding this phone in my hand that can do all kinds of stuff. Like, I mean, there has to be some kind of solution to somebody putting on a rope and harness. And so at that moment, drones and the technology and stuff, they existed, but they weren't ready on the consumer scale to be able to do anything like this. And so I basically had my mindset from that 2-story steep place, like, okay, I'm going to keep my eye on this stuff because I have a feeling as things progress, this may be something that's potential. And then really I saw the blossoming of the technology and the ability of this technology this last year.
The links for iTunes, Google Play, and Stitcher will be available in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.